Welcome to Lesson 4, the final lesson of this 4-part series. This lesson is on proportional relationships. The objective of this course is to identify if two quantities are proportional, and if so, identify the constant of proportionality. Two quantities are proportional if they have a constant ratio or rate. In other words, one of the quantities is a constant multiple of another. For a refresher on ratios and rates, please look back to the lessons from week 1 and 2. Let's look at an example. Here we are comparing the total cost to the number of wristbands. $6 for 4 wristbands, $9 for 6 wristbands, $12 for 8 wristbands. Let's see if these are proportional. When we look closely at the ratios, we can see that each one can be reduced. Not only can each ratio be reduced, but when reduced, they reduce down to the same value, 3/2. Because each ratio can be reduced to the same value, it is said to be proportional. This constant ratio that we have identified is referred to as the constant of proportionality. Let's check to see if this equation is proportional. This equation compares the total cost to the number of necklaces. $6 for 4 necklaces, $10 for 5 necklaces, $15 for 6 necklaces. Are these proportional? When we look at the ratio, we can again see that each ratio can be reduced. However, unlike in our previous example, the ratios do not reduce to a common value. Because there is no constant value, the quantities are said to be non-proportional and no constant of proportionality exists. Let's check to see if this equation is proportional. Once again, we can see that each ratio can be reduced. This time, when reduced, we find that each ratio can be reduced down to the same value, 3/1. Because all ratios have a common proportion, 3/1, they are said to be proportional, with 3/1 being our constant of proportionality. This concludes our lesson. In this lesson, you have learned that two quantities are proportional if they have a constant ratio or rate, and that this constant ratio is referred to as the constant of proportionality. Please review your online activity for the week. Thank you.